Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Meghalaya Cuisine. In today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make beef pickle. So, for those who have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe it so that you will get the updates. But don't forget to press the bell icon. This recipe is one of my favorite and my mom she used to pack for me during my hostel life. So let's start it. This recipe is very easy to prepare. Hope you guys will surely try it. One of the subscribers, her name is Rashna Soshang, she has asked me to make this recipe. I have bought 1 kg of beef and I have excluded all the bones. So first of all, we need to pressurize it in a pressure cooker till it becomes very soft. Add water. We need to add salt. Now the meat is ready to be shredded. You can also cut it into small pieces if you want, but for me I prefer shredded meat. For this recipe, we will be using pounded garlic, ginger, salt, chili powder, pounded dry chilies, chili flakes, then a shredded meat, and oil. For making this recipe, I would prefer to make in a firewood because I will be using a big karai for this recipe. Now my karai is already heated and I have poured oil. The oil is also heated now. I'm adding the shredded meat. Stir it very properly so that it won't get burned. While boiling the meat, I have added a little bit of salt, but that was not enough. So now I'm adding a little bit of salt. Now it's the time where we have to put the ginger, garlic, now I'm adding the garlic paste. This is a ginger. Then I'll be adding this. Stir it properly. In this recipe, you will be getting the flavor of a ginger, the garlic. So the combination of these two will be a perfect meat pickle. If you don't like the taste of a ginger, so you can exclude the ginger part and you can make only with garlic. And for those who don't like the garlic, can exclude the garlic part and make it only with the ginger. Now is the time to add the chili powder. This will give a nice color. If you want, you can also add turmeric powder, but for me, I don't prefer much turmeric powder in a pickle, so I'm not using it. Next, I'll be adding chili flakes. For this, you can give it according to your desire, how much you want it to make it hot and spicy. We have to fry it till the water of the meat dries up and stir it very well to prevent it from burning. Make sure you make the meat very dry so that you can preserve it for long. Now the meat is almost ready. Keep on stirring it. Now the meat is almost ready. So it is ready now. We have to make this cool, then only we can store it in a tight container for preservation. I hope this video will be a benefit for you. If you really like this video, kindly comment and like it and share it to your friends. Now I'll be storing this in a container, and I can keep this for months because I have properly dry fried it. As you have seen that I did not add any preservatives, the oil itself will act as a preservative out here. This pickle is really delicious. You can get the flavor of ginger, garlic, chilies. Try this recipe and tell me in the comments below. Thank you friends for watching this video.